Hola, 皆さん、いらっしゃいませ。今は2番セグメントが日本語を勉強します。はい、皆さんありがとうございます。よし。皆さん、どうぞ、どうぞ。今は英語を話します。はい、皆さんありがとうございます。よし。Welcome everybody for another round of Japanese lessons. Gonna cover the next five verbs for the short forms. Very important to learn short forms because that is commonly spoken as much as the format, the formal verbs go. So gotta be able to improve on my writing of Boken in Japanese, and gotta make sure I can accomplish this. So, let's not waste any time. Got five verbs to do. Minasan, uh, 勉強しましょう. Alright. Alright. Our first word is 忘れる. 忘れる to forget or leave behind. 忘れる. Okay. 忘れる. 忘れる. Okay. To forget, leave behind. Oh, ごめんなさい. Leave behind. Okay. 忘れる. There we go. 忘れる. So this is still uru verbs. 忘れた. There we go. 忘れた. Sorry. 忘れない. ない. 忘れない. 忘れない. 忘れた. 忘れた. And 忘れなかった. くなかった. なかった. 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 There we go. 忘れなかった. 何忘れなかった. ごめんなさい、皆さん。ごめんなさい。忘れた. Ta. Not tai, ta. Just ta. It's one of those days. Next one is oriru. Oriru, to get off. Oriru. Oriru. To get off. Alright. To get off. Oh, gonna have to push you down. Yep. There you go. To get off. Oriru. Okay. Okay, so this will be ori. Oh. Ori night. Stop scrolling. Stop scrolling. おでない。降りた。降りた。うん。降りた No? Uh-oh. Hmm. 降りた降りた It's not giving me 降りた for some reason. Is it 折れた No. 降りた No. Ta. No, it's not giving me that one. Alright, let's consult G-Show and find out what's going on here. Let's see, oriru. Why am I not getting... Yeah, I am spelling it correctly. Orita. It's not giving me the kanji. It's not, for some reason, MS Word, it's not giving me the kanji. But I am spelling it correctly. It is orita. But it's not giving me my kanji. Let's see. Here we go. I found it. Okay. Orinakata. Ori na kata. Orinakata. Nato. That? No? Orinakata. Orinakata. I'm spelling it right. Why isn't it giving me... Yeah, I am spelling correctly. Orinakata. So, once again, MS Word is not giving me my kanji here. Alright. But it is spelled right. It's orinakata. MS Word is off its game today. I apologize for that. Next one is kariru. Kariru. Which is to borrow. To borrow. Kariru. Kariru. So, karenai. Oh, sorry. This is what you're really looking for. Here we go. Karenai. Karita. Good. It's working with me here. And karinakata. No. Oh. No. Karina. Kata. There we are. Here we go. Karinakata. Shower o obiru. Abiru. Shower or abiru. Okay. Shower. It's not gonna give me my katakana, huh? Where's shower? Here we go. Shower. Shower. Oh. Obiru. Abiru. Abiru. Okay. To shower. To take a shower. Shower o abiru. Okay. Shower o abinai. Abinai. Shower o excuse me. Abita. And shower o abinakata. There we go. Okay. And our last word is tsukeru. Tsukeru. Which is written only in kana. It's to turn on. To turn on. To turn on. Akeru. Akeru. Tsukeru. 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 Alright. Tsukenai. Tsukenai. Tsuketa. And tsukenakata. Tsukenakata. Okay. Hey, not bad, not bad, not bad. Aside from oriru, the kanji give me a MS Word give me a hard time. There's our verbs for the day. Okay. Wasureru, to forget, leave behind. Wasurenai, wasureta, wasurenakata. Oriru, to get off. Orinai, orita, orinakata. Kariru, to borrow. Karinai, karita, karinakata. Shower o abiru, to take a shower. Shower o abinai, shower o abita, and shower o abinakuta. Nakata. Nakuta. Shower o abinakata. And tsukeru, to turn on. Tsukenai, tsuketa, and tsukenakata. Alright. Yosh, minasan, arigatou gozaimasu. Hi, minasan. I hope y'all, hope that helped y'all out there. We're all students, myself included. So, we learn together, So, that's all good. So, minasan, 来週まで。はい。皆さん、来週までお疲れ様でした。どうぞコメント、like、サブスクライブをください。Good night. Buenas noches. おやすみなさい。